Thank you very much, everyone. I'll talk about an example of what I'm going through these days. So I have to change my phone. It's almost 3 years ago. I bought one, and I hate I had my love for iPhone, and I ditched it for making it like a hotspot for me. So I'm exploring the next OnePlus or stuff, and I discovered it on Amazon, and then I went out looking at Galaxy 24 AI. I don't know what all does it have. Does it have generative AI or not? I don't know. But it's been 3 days. I have been going back and forth looking at reviews, reels. When I was coming to Bangalore, I visited the stores and the malls and the airport, and was not able to decide so far. And to me, in the last 4 or 5 years, shopping has become very difficult. And especially with an omni-channel world where it's omni-channel marketing happening and stuff. So what I'll do through is how can brands leverage the power of omni-channel and declutter it and make it more efficient is what I'll talk about. And that's what I do for a living as well. So the way we talk about omni-channel, it's roughly about $11 billion opportunity for India right now. And it's expected to be $55 billion in the next coming years. And honestly, there will be no online company or offline company. They will be all omni-channel in the next few years. Surviving in one area is not possible. We all love Decathlon. Decathlon is one of the best omni-channel companies. Amazon is opening stores. People are experimenting across. But why do people do omni-channel? There is definitely benefits for doing online shopping, which is you get infinite choices and you get very good ratings and reviews. But at the end, if you go to the malls, you see 90% stores as clothing stores. And the biggest problem online places feel is size and fitting. So size and fitting is one big area where people go and they want to touch and feel and get personalized recommendations. And nothing can beat going into a store and buying. That's the speed of delivery is zero. So, but today our discovery happens through Amazon, it happens through search engines, social media, trying to buy all the useless stuff by watching reels, which I'm sure everyone has indulged in. I'm sure if many people have fallen the trap, and Razorpay comes and says that use Razorpay trusted things, and they run performance marketing, nice ads also with Oroshi Dolakia on it. So that's how the whole omni-channel world is. It's the omni-channel sales and there is omni-channel marketing. But to give you some stats, with people spending a lot of time on internet, there is almost 5 billion people on social media, 3 billion people only on Meta ecosystem, 2.5 hours people spending every day on internet. So there is huge amount of time spent, and social media is the new TV. So 70% of marketing spend is going digital, which is great. But out of that, another 70% goes to Google and Meta combined. So there is a very big ecosystem that money is out there with digital marketing and this. But what am I talking about in a conclave of AI and analytics? So what digital brought in for marketing was the biggest problem. Marketers used to say half of my money goes waste. I don't know which half. But with digital, everything gets measured, and digital was the biggest area where when internet came in, data got generated. So with marketing going digital, there is huge amount of data generated, and it brings a lot of opportunity for us passionate for AI and analytics. And if we see, there is different types of marketing happening. Brand marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and there is a whole plethora of things. We think that marketers deal only with TV. Earlier, about 10 years ago, there used to be a newspaper ad, and Amul used to just do 2-3 things, nice meme content in the year, and they are done. But today, the pressure which marketers have, they have to do 4 social media posts, 3 reels, 20 ads. So the amount of content needs to be generated is immense. So I'm sure marketers are very overwhelmed, but definitely Gen AI helps them make it much easier, but definitely does not make it easy for them to consume. So Gen AI has helped them in 3 ways. What I would say: text, image, and video. Text, we all know, we all have used text-based systems, whether it is ChatGPT, Gemini, Bard, or whatever, to build copies. Image is where bit of, I would say, well, people over-exaggerate the creativity aspect, but I would say it has become a very strong performance tool to make the person very efficient to drive better editing. Earlier, to get a very good edit out, it used to take 7-8 hours. Now it can be done in 30 minutes or 15 minutes with a single prompt. And then coming video, I'm not sure how many people have read the recent announcement of OpenAI, which came about 10 hours ago. So they have launched a new model which can help you with a prompt create very quick videos. So video is another area which is coming in. So all of this is helping marketing become more efficient and more scalable with the use of effective content generation, hyper personalization, and customer experience. I'll quickly take two examples. While we all have used chat GPT or conversational apps, what is happening is we are still yet to see commerce driven through conversation. And what is being said is a conversation is the new internet. We used internet mostly through browsers. Now we will use shopping or everything you can put in conversational. You can say conversational commerce, conversational chat, conversational analytics as well. So conversation will be the new medium. I'll not go through the techniques of how to do it, but conversation is a big area for everyone. It is in businesses, we have hardly scratched surfaces. Here is an example for Chayos where they have launched Chayos GPT to help people search it. And it's making it easy. There's a huge market out there to do from making it very textual based, but integrated with channels like WhatsApp and RCS and all to distribute it. The another example which I would like to is the shopping discovery. We all had issues with searching the right product. Recently, a company launched this demo where you can just by prompting make it easy to search. And the way they do it is they do a lot of metadata content from the images and for the copy, and it's mostly conversation first commerce. This example which is there, and I was bold over this. Now, there will be product startups which will be built, which will be integrated on top of Myntra or on top of Shopify, which can enable all of these pieces. So it makes shopping easy, it makes shopping conversational. Now, having said all of these things, what does it mean to drive marketing effectiveness? The biggest question which is there is my marketing resulting into any kind of business impact? And typically, social media is one of the things. We all chase followers and likes, but those followers and likes really result into your business impact or not. Recently, we wrote a blog on it, and we wrote 10 ways to get followers. You can run giveaway campaigns, you can run click bots, and you must have got those WhatsApp campaigns where people will say, do you want to earn 10,000 rupees per month? Go this clicks and likes and shares and subscribes. So if you do that, I'm not sure whether it will be business impact. So I think so we are chasing the wrong metrics. And if there is a guy who is doing, and we have seen brands who do organically very well, they get engagement rates of north of 3%. Whereas brands who kind of indulge into giveaways and those type of campaigns, they get 0.15%. But by really putting a decent attribution framework and a measurement framework, it can be done in a much better manner. We all obsess about triple M model, market mix modeling. I don't think so it works in today's age. Market mix modeling is all about spend more and you will get more revenue in some areas. But market mix modeling does not consider a very good reel getting viral. I used to work at Lenskart. I'm not sure if you remember that farmer whom Piyush funded. It really got us huge brand reach. But he must have invested, 50 lakh rupees in it, but the amount of impact we saw on the Lenskart business was very different. Market modeling cannot get you this, but if you chase the right matrices and you put it in your attribution modeling, it can get you that understanding of what is driving your reach, engagement, and definitely traffic to your website and conversion. The second step, which I would say is experiment. A lot of things we think about experimentation is more about the segmentation and all, but trust me, copy experimentation and content experimentation is very, very big. With all these channels of distribution can scale up. And then the last is value from first-party data, which basically means is own your customer, reduce your dependency on performance marketing, cookies and all. We all have great connects with our customer, leverage that data, do better marketing through your email, SMS, WhatsApp, and understand your customer. That will bring down your cost of marketing. Gentlemen, I'm almost up. This is what I do for our living. We are 3 months old, and would love to see anyone who would be interested and help you partner. We just got started, and we have written some interesting blogs. If you're, you can go to diom.in/blogs. Whatever we learn, we generally post it on internet. If it is so easy to copy, because everyone is searching, so we thought, जो भी सीखा है वो सब डाल दो. And if people can learn and do it, anything great. And but there'll be some people who would want a yoga coach. Like we all have yoga videos, but we also hire a yoga coach, and then we pay him. So we are those yoga coaches who will tell you what you already should be knowing and get you better. Thank you very much.